Hi guys. Welcome to Creative Mind YouTube channel with another Photoshop tutorial. Today I'll show you how to create a movie poster design in Adobe Photoshop. First of all, add model image and background. Select Rectangle tool and draw a rectangle. Now hold Alt to make a copy. Adjust the rectangles. Now add a model image. Place the model image layer above the rectangle layer in which you want to make clipping mask. Now hold Alt and make clipping mask. Now repeat this procedure for all other images. Now make a group by pressing Ctrl+G. Now convert to Smart Object. Now hold Alt and create clipping mask. Here we go. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.